Good morning, students. So we have started a new chapter, that is median and mode. In yesterday's class, we had studied problems related to our individual series and discrete series of frequency array. So next, write down the third one. Frequency distribution. So we had individual series, discrete series, and the third one is frequency distribution series. Under that, write down the formula. How is median denoted? M. L1 plus n divided by 2 minus Cf divided by f into I, where L1 is lower limit of the class interval of the median class, Cf is cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. Then we have f, it is frequency of the median class, and then we have I, size of the median class interval. So see the formula. We have L1. L1 will be the lower limit of the median class. Cf, that is cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. F is the frequency of the median class, and I is the size of the median class interval. So how can we find the median class? First step, whenever they have given us a problem, we need to find n by 2. Say n is 50. 50 divided by 2 will get the 25th item. Then in the cumulative frequency, we need to check it. That becomes a median class. So when I work out the problem, you would understand it in a much better way. So take down an illustration. Find out the median value of the following distribution. We have wage rate and we have number of workers. So wage rate is given, that is the class interval. Then they have given us number of workers, that is the frequency. Then we need to find out cumulative frequency. So what are the class intervals? 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Then we have frequencies 22, 38, 46, 35, 20. So what is n? We need to add the frequencies. It is 161. Then we have cumulative frequency. First one will remain the same, that is 22. Then 22 plus 38 we get 60. 60 plus 46, 106. 106 plus 35, 141. 141 plus 20, 161. So what is the first step? First step is we need to find out the median class. So write down M is equal to size of n by 2th item. So what is n? 161 divided by 2 we get 80.5th item. Now go to the problem. Go to a cumulative frequency. Where does 80.5 lie? It lies between 60 and 106. But what do? We always take the next number of whatever answer we get. So after 80.5, which number do we have? We have 106. So this will become our median class. So next line, write down median class is 20 to 30. Next we need to write the formula. M is equal to N1 plus N divided by 2 minus Cf divided by F into I. What is L1? Lower class limit of the median class. What is the median class? 20 to 30. So L1 will be 20. N by 2 is what? N is 161 divided by 2. What is cumulative frequency? Cumulative frequency will be the frequency preceding the median class. Preceding मतलब यहाँ पे 106 is the median class. Preceding to that will be CF. How much is it? 60. So minus 60. What is frequency? Frequency is whatever is the median class, उसकी जो भी frequency है, that will be F. So it is 46. And what is I? It is width of the class interval of the median class. So इसकी width क्या है? 20 to 30. It was 10. So into 10. So 20 plus 80.5 minus 60 divided by 46 into 10. So we get 20 plus 20.5 divided by 46 into 10. So we get 20 plus 20.5 divided by 46 into 10. So 10 ones are 10, 4.6 are. So 20.5 divided by 4.6. We get 20 plus 4.46. How much is it? 24.46. Therefore, median is equal to 24.46. So in case of frequency series, what is the first step? The first step is we need to find the signs of n by 10th item. After we have found out, we need to go to the table and see the cumulative frequency. Whichever number is next than the answer which has got, that will be the median class. After we have found out the median class, we need to write the formula. CF will be cumulative frequency of the preceding class interval. F is nothing but जो भी median class है उसकी frequency. And then we need to substitute and we get the answer. Clear? Next, let's go on to another illustration. The following table gives distribution of marks secured by some students. They have given us marks and number of students. Calculate the median. So marks is nothing but class interval and number of students will be frequency. So it is 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. After that we have frequency 42, 38, 120, 84, 48, 36 and 31. Last column we have is cumulative frequency. 42, 42 plus 38, 80, 80 plus 120, 200, 200 plus 84, 284, 284 plus 48, 332, 332 plus 36, 368, 368 plus 31, 399. So what is n? 399. So what is the first step? M is equal to n by 2th item. So n is 399 by 2. So 1 99.5th item. Go to our cumulative frequency 199.5. It will be median class is 30 to 40. Therefore, median class 30 to 40. After that, we need to write the formula. M is equal to L1 divided by L1 plus N divided by 2 minus CF divided by F into I. So what is L1 of the median class 30 to 40? It is 30. Then what will be F? This will be F. Then cumulative frequency will be 80. 30 will be L1 and I will be 10. So n divided by 2, 399 divided by 2 minus cumulative frequency is 80, frequency is 120, I is 10. So 30 plus 199.5 minus 80 divided by 120 into 10. 30 plus 119.5 divided by 120 into 10. So 119.5 divided by 12. 30 plus 9.96. We get 39.96. Therefore, median marks is equal to 39.96. Clear? This was our frequency series. Write down the next side heading, number 4. Cumulative frequency series and the median. What is cumulative frequency series? It is either less than or more than. So we have calculated median of the following series. They have given us less than data, that is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and then they have given us number of workers. We need to find the median. So write down wage rate, number of workers. So less than 10, so 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. So they have given us class interval. They have given us number of workers. So this number of workers, will it be frequency or cumulative frequency? It will be cumulative frequency. Why? Because they have given us less than data. So they have given us cumulative frequency 15, 35, 60, 84, 96, 127, 198 and 250. What do we need to find out now? We need to find out the frequency. And how can we find out the frequency? First number will remain the same, that is 15. Then we have 35 minus 15, 20. 60 minus 35, 25. 84 minus 16, 24. 96 minus 84, 12. 127 minus 96, 31. 198 minus 127, 71. 250 minus 198, 52. So this is the same like we did in case of ogives. That given us cumulative frequency, we found out the frequency. So n is equal to 250. So how do we find median? Size of n by 2 item. So 250 divided by 2 we get 125 item. Go to our table and go to our cumulative frequency. Where do we find 125? It is over here. So what will be our median class? It is 50 to 60. So median class 50 to 60. So what is L1? N1 is 50. What is cumulative frequency? 127, previous to that. So it is 96. What is frequency? 31. And what is I? 10. So what is the formula? M is equal to L1 plus N by 2 minus CF divided by F into I. So L1 is 50, N by 2 is 250 divided by 2, cumulative frequency is 96, frequency is 31 into 10. So 50 plus 121 125 minus 96 divided by 31 into 10. So it is 50 plus 29 divided by 30 into 10. 10 ones are 10, 3.1. So 50 plus 29 divided by 3.1, we get 9.35. 59.35 is the median. Therefore, median is equal to 59.35. So in the question, whenever they give us less than or more than ogive, it means they have given us the cumulative frequency. And how can we find out the frequency? It is by deducting the next value with the previous value. And when they have given us the frequencies, how do we find the cumulative frequency? By adding the numbers. Correct? So always remember this, and please do not get confused, and see what type of question has been given. According to that, you need to find out the median. The formula will remain the same, that is L1 plus n by 2 minus Cf divided by f into I. Everything else will be there in the class interval except for cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency will be the preceding number of the median class. Clear? So that's all for today. We shall be continuing the remaining problems in the next class. Thank you.